वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन। आज मैं आपको ब्राउन उल्फ का ट्रू फॉल्स बताने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं नंबर 1 से। When the dog arrived at their cottage, मेज एंड वर्ल्ट knew where he come from। मतलब कि जब डॉग मेज और इरविन के कॉटेज पहुंचा तो मेज और इरविन जानते थे कि वो कहाँ से आया है, तो ये फॉल्स होगा। उल्फ kept running away from the Walt and Mage's home because he was very adventurous। यहाँ देखिए एडवेंचरस का मतलब होता है खतरे उठाने और नए नए साहसिक काम करने को तैयार। मतलब जब वुल्फ बार बार भाग जाता था तो वाल्ट और इरविन के होम से, क्योंकि वो जो उल्फ था वो एडवेंचरस था, नहीं, तो ये भी फॉल्स होगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट पढ़ते हैं। उल्फ्स रिएक्शन टू स्किफ मिलर टेल्स अस दैट ही वाज ए वेरी फ्रेंडली एनिमल। उल्फ का रिएक्शन जो था स्किफ मिलर को देख के, तो ये पता चलता है कि वो बहुत फ्रेंडली नेचर का था। नहीं, वो इसीलिए स्किफ मिलर के पास गया क्योंकि वो उसका मास्टर था। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 चल। Question number 4. Skiff Miller gave the dog various commands which he obeyed, thus proving that he belonged to Skiff Miller. Skiff Miller अपने डॉग को बहुत सारे कमांड्स देता था, जो भी बोलता था मानता था, तो ये प्रूफ होता है कि स्किफ मिलर उसी का डॉग है। यस, द आंसर इज ट्रू। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Mage wanted to give the dog a choice in the matter of staying or leaving because he hoped that he would choose to stay back with her Walt। तो बोल रहा है कि मैं चाहती थी कि डॉग को एक चॉइस मिले कि वो रहना चाहता है कि छोड़ के जाना चाहता है। वो इस आशा में थे कि वो डॉग उसको, मतलब वो उसको डॉग को रखना चाहती थी। तो ये आंसर ट्रू होगा क्योंकि वो चाहती थी ऐसा कि डॉग जो है उसी के पास रहता है। आंसर इज ट्रू। Okay, now I am going to read question number 1, going to explain you the question number 1 answer. The question number 1 is here. Why did Mage and Walt have to work so hard to win over the dog? तो बोल रहा है कि आपको क्वेश्चन 1 में बोल रहा है कि मेज और वाल्ट क्यों काम करना चाहते थे इतना हार्ड, मतलब डॉग को जीतने के लिए। तो आंसर इज Mage and Walt had to work so hard to win over the dog because he was very unsociable and he also did not allow them to touch him. Next, question number 2. Look it here. In what way did Walt ensure that the dog would be returned to him whenever he ran away? So, answer is Walt attached a metal plate to the dog's collar on which his address was written. In this way, Walt ensured that the dog would be returned to him whenever he ran away. Okay, now the next answer 3 is question 3. First, I am going to read question 3. What did Walt and Mage notice about the dog's repeated disappearances? What did they guess from it? The answer is Walt and Mage noticed that every time when the dog fled away, he went north. They guessed that it must be his natural feeling that takes him to his original living place. Okay, next question 4. Look at here. Who did Mage and Walt meet on the trail one day? Where had this person come from? Now the answer is on the trail मतलब रास्ते में। On the trail one day, Mage and Walt met Skiff Miller. He had come from Colindique, a region in northwestern Canada. Okay, next question. He lifted one of Ulf's forelegs and examined the footpads. Who is he? From Ulf's behavior in the past, do you think that the dog would have let any stranger touch him like this? Why or why not? Now the answer is he is Skiff Miller. he कौन थे? Skiff Miller थे। From Ulf's behavior in the past, the dog would not have let any stranger touch him like this because he was very unfriendly. As Skiff Miller was his master, so he allowed him to touch. Next question number 6. The man was evidently a humorist. What made Mage think this way about Skiff Miller? Was he really making a joke? Give reasons for your answer. Now the answer is when Miller was rubbing the footpads of the dog, he barked, and it was for the first time he had ever barked. This made Mage think this way about Skiff Miller, that he was evidently a humorist. No, he was not making a joke. He was the real master of the dog whose name was Brown. Okay, now question number 7. This was a new way of looking at it, and Miller was clearly debating about it in his mind. What was it? What do you think was going on in Skip Miller's mind? Why was he debating the matter? Now answer 7 is, it was, you look it here, it was dog's own choice. In Skip Miller's mind, a debate was going on. He was debating the matter because he was unsure whether the dog wanted to stay there with Walt Irwin and Madge or go back with the Miller. Okay, now the next question number 8 is, do you think the dog tried to tell Skip, Madge and Walt to stay together? What makes you say so? Now the answer is yes. Yes, the dog tried to tell Skip, Madge and Walt to stay together. When Miller was going, the dog tried to pause him, but when he was unsuccessful in doing so, he raced back to Madge and Walt and tried to convince them so that they would stop Miller. This event makes us say so. Okay, the last question is, did the dog make a firm decision in the end? How do you know? Yes, the dog made a firm decision in the end. He was staring straight ahead the trail and at once began to run. Not once did he turn his head. Finally, he was with his master. तो ये था ब्राउन वुल्फ चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन आंसर. आप प्लीज़ मेरे इस चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें एंड प्लीज़ बेल बटन को भी दबाएं ताकि आपको मेरा नेक्स्ट नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें. और मैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ न्यू चैप्टर का स्टोरी लेके आऊँगी. आज के लिए इतना ही. बाय बाय. थैंक यू.